Hello, my name is Chani. I am very happy to see you. Welcome to Easy English with Chani. Let's learn English together, step by step. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name's Tom. What's your name?
I'm Chani. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Thank you. Okay, let's say it together. Hello, what's your name? My name is Johnny. Nice to meet you. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Okay, this time I am Johnny, you are the Tom. Hello, what's your name? I am Johnny. Nice to meet you, Tom. How are you today? I am fine too. Thank you. Great job. Today we learn how to say hello. Next time we will talk about where are you from. See you soon. Bye bye.